Hey, what's going on YouTube? Q here again. So in today's videos, I'm finally going to address my TPMS issue that I've been having. So every time I swap the tires, I went to the tire shop, had them swap off the winter set for the summer set. After about 40 miles, my TPMS resets and it just loses all functionality. It forgets that it's there. So I'm going to address that issue today. I'm going to fix that. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know whenever I post about this Camaro. So let's hop into it. Alright, so let me show you all what happens every time I get into the car. So when I get into the car and start it, put the parking brake up. So I get this service tire monitoring system. So let me dismiss this message. And to do this, you have to have the car on. So using the steering wheel controls, you're gonna want to go to the info menu, which I'm already in. Then go down to the tire pressure screen. Zoom in for you. And you see how it's all blank there. I get no reading. So what you're going to want to do is hold this select button on the steering wheel right here, and that's going to put it in a learning mode. The horn honks. So tire learning active. So let me go outside and get started. So before I get started, this is what we have here, the VXDAS EL50448 TPMS reset tool. And I got this from Amazon for $10. So you can't beat that. So hopefully it works. So let me unbox it right now. Alright, so this is all it is. Just one button, and see what we have here. What's in here? Oh, looks like I need a 9-volt battery, which I might not have. Let me go see. Not gonna lie there, thought I was doomed finding the battery. Thought I had to go to the store, but luckily, look at God, I found a 9-volt battery I got from Radio Shack years ago. It's actually expired in December 2019. And I got a little quick battery test to do too. And I'm not gonna pull out a voltmeter, just gonna use my tongue. Yeah, definitely still good. So we're all good. Let me wipe this off. Kids, don't try this at home. Alright, so put the battery in here. Whatever. Alright, so I'm going to start the relearn process again. Going to make sure this thing works when I press the button. We are good. Start the car up again. Yes, I know. Got to service that. So let me do the relearn. So I'm going to hold the select button. Horn honks and tire learning active. So we're going to start with the driver's side tire and work our way around clockwise. We got 2 minutes to do this. Put it at the stem. Is that good? I don't know. Alright, so the horn honks, we're good there. Go around to the next tire. You can see the light was on over here, so now the tail light should be on in the back, meaning that I should be doing this one. So that tail light is on, this tail light is not. So every light is going to be on for the tire you should be resetting. So I'm going to be at this tire. I don't know where exactly you need to be to do this, but I'm just moving it around. left tire. So, alright, the horn hump, we should be all good. Let's hop back in. And there we go. My TPMS is now all set. You can see what my tire pressure is now. Let's turn the car off and make sure it holds. Open the door. We call that wrap out. Turn it back on. We are golden. I'll make sure to leave a link in the description for this this TPMS reset tool. So I hope this video was helpful for you all. Quick, easy, painless, cheap. I'm definitely going to get that tool because I used to go to Discount Tire every time to get that reset twice. After swapping my winter tires on, it'll be okay for like 40 miles, and then it would unset itself, and I'll have to go back like 2 days later after I drove 40 miles. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, browse the channel if you will. I appreciate that, and I'll catch you all on the next video. Peace out.